All right. Good afternoon. This is Marcia of my Bloated Belly Club, and I just wanted to do a quick video just to let you know exactly what's going on for this month. Let's get this out of the way. All right. This is what's on my website for this month, but I'm also going to be changing content this at the end of this month, and I'm going to be uploading new content for the month of May. In May, just to give you a heads up, we are moving from we're moving into summer. So I want to start uploading my summer cleanse systems. And I have a 30-day detox that I will be uploading to the site. And it's a very easy one to follow. And I'll be giving more information about that as just at the launch. So we're not talking about that today, but I'm talking about my Boost Your Immune System program. This actually is a handout that talks about how the immune system works, what it needs to function, and the foods that help it to function best. So I want to encourage you, if you have not gotten this handout as yet, please download it. For this month, it is up until the 30th of April. It's free. After that, it goes on sale. So while it's here, there are recipes attached. I want to encourage you to get it. The recipes, it gives you insight or ideas on how to prepare meals that will help you to build your immune system. So who is this? Who this will work best for? Anyone with autoimmune disorders, you have been diagnosed with cancer, you're going through cancer treatment, or you've just completed your cancer treatment, this is an excellent one for you. Rheumatoid arthritis, any sort of inflammatory condition, you're recovering from a cold or flu, you've had pneumonia, any of those ailments, you can use this particular program to help you to rebuild your immune system. We need our immune system. No country is strong without a good defense. That's why so many countries, especially larger countries here in the West, they invest millions, if not billions, of dollars and pounds into building an army that can defend the country. So your body, think of it as a country. Think of your immune system as your army. And if your army is anemic and it is unable to defend you, then you open yourself wide to all sorts of diseases, and it makes it difficult for you to recover. So I want you to think about getting it. It is for download. I even have a sneak peek of a video that I did to talk about the Boost Your Immune System, and you can get it in the shop. I'm loading that now. Takes a minute. And here you go, Immune Support Pack with recipes. And as you can see, until the end of the month, it is free for download. So this is just to encourage you to get it. Get it today. You have until, let's see, when does the month end? The month comes to an end on Tuesday. So after Tuesday, it will no longer be free. And if you want to get it, you'll have to pay for it. All right, so this is what we have on offer for the month of April. I also have my 7-day gratitude challenge. The gratitude challenge is also an excellent tool to help you to refocus your mind. There are studies that have shown that having an attitude of gratitude, it does help you to cope with stress. It helps to improve your quality of sleep. It puts your mind to rest. It lowers your blood pressure and it can reduce infection. So bear that in mind. Get the gratitude challenge. You could do it as many times as you like until one day you wake up and you realize that you are more thankful than you are worried. Gratitude and gratefulness actually helps to crowd out worry out of your mind. That is why prayer and meditation is often spoken about as wellness tools. So grab the 7-day gratitude challenge. That one is going to be on my site every day. It's not going anywhere. So I encourage you, get them today. So this was just a very short video. This is all I wanted to tell you guys about. But the immune system, the boost your immune system, this particular handout, it is loaded, packed with information. So I just want to encourage you, get it today, grab it, it's yours. All right. And once you download it, it comes straight to your inbox. All right. That's me done. Talk to you guys soon again. There are some other things that I have going on the website. So I'll make another video and talk to you about that. Bye for now.